Hello dear viewers and subscribers. Today I'm gonna show you a new device that's name is power inverter 1000 watt. It's very useful and easy device for emergency electricity backup. When electricity has gone, you will use it. It's converted DC 12 volt to AC 220 volt. It's very easy to use. Now I'm showing you how to use it. First of all, you have to connect inverter 2 wire, red and black wire, in battery negative and positive terminal. Let's see it. How I'm connecting 2 wire. It's a simple battery pack. I was make it for different kinds of works. Now I'm connecting positive wire and negative wire. It's an light 2-pin plug. It's a 20-watt LED light. It's run right now electricity, and then it run by the inverter. Now I'm disconnect the electric power, and I'm connecting the 2-pin socket in inverter, and how see it. Now it's finally work. Now you can see the